Usembut mitrang ba kajala megalia ba Prestone Tynsong ulong ba thma padeng kari Ukraine ba Rusia kadai kadaw ba chong kajingkiu dor umphniang kali ulong ba kajingkiu dor umphniang kali kamdei kabaja tangha kajala megalia handri hakari borok koi na kadaw ka tei thma dak pa pau ba hap yakran yakani bat ka sarkar India khamtam bat mitrang ba du kari India Narendra Modi bat kumju commentary badikhmi yakat platin ka sarkar India kanirmala Sitaraman kuman syukudo ba kajingkiu dor umphniang kali ya kajala megalia kalon rai kajingi ka ba khrau nak banta kipai ba.
Right now, I think when you talk about the hike in diesel and petrol, it is not only in Meghalaya. It happens throughout, not only in India, throughout the world, just because of this war that has happened between Russia and Ukraine. So, for this issue, I think let us wait, let us see how to come out of this problem. Because I think we also need to discuss even with the Union Finance Minister, and that we have to take it up with her. And not only that, I think even with the Prime Minister of India.